Once again, I welcome you for the session of development of surfaces. Today we will discuss about one another problem based on development of surfaces of cylinder. For that, consider a problem. A cylinder of diameter 60 mm and height 90 mm is kept vertical. It is cut by a plane inclined at 60° to circular base and passing through a point on circumference of base. Draw the development of lateral surface of cylinder. Now see the solution for this problem. First of all, draw horizontal XY line. We know this line separates the front view and top view of the cylinder. Now for cylinder, draw horizontal center line in the top view, similarly vertical center line, and this intersecting point as a center for the base named as O. Now draw a circle of diameter 60 mm which is the base of the cylinder. Now for drawing front view of this cylinder, just extend this center line in the front view and again draw the end generators of the cylinder, and considering the height which is given actually 90 mm, so draw the locus of this top view. This rectangle look like a cylinder which is the front view, this green shaded rectangle. Okay, now draw the cutting plane which is inclined at 60° to the base of this cylinder. Now next step is divide this circle into 8 number of equal parts. We can name the parts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now draw the vertical projection from each division in this way. Now these divisions or the projections cut this inclined section line at such points. We can locate that points and named as P-1, P-2, P-3, then P-4. Now P-5 is not there because it is not cut by the generator. So P-6, P-7 and P-8. Next. Now finally we got such a outline, and only this part which is cut by a section. Now the remaining part of the cylinder we can show by the outline, thick outline. Okay. Now next is to develop now the cylinder. Draw a horizontal line of length is equal to circumference of this cylinder, which is equal to pi d, and considering this 60 mm as the diameter, we can find the length of this development 188.49 mm. So this will be the height 90 mm of the development. So we can trace such a rectangle. Now divide this rectangle into 8 equal number of divisions. We can name the points or division up to 8 and finally again 1 dash. Okay. Now next is what? Just draw the projection from this points P2, which is same as that of P dash 8. Okay. Now the intersection of this second projection and the second division, this point we can name it as P2. Similarly, the same line will cut the division number 8 at this point, it is named as P8. Similarly, from P-3 we can locate here P-3 and here P-7. Okay. Now P-4 and P-6 actually they are on the top surface, that means on this line. So to locate P-4 and P-6, see the intersection with this point number 4 and for this point number 6. Now we got such a points of intersection from the projection and this vertical division. Now with the help of French curve we can join all these points to get a curve. Up to here it is a curve, and P4 to P6 it is the straight one, so we can join by a line, and similarly this is the decreasing curve up to P1 in this way. So we can observe here also from P1 to P4 it is increasing curve because the length of this generator is increasing. P-4 to P-6 it is constant, it is means at the constant height of 90 mm. Clear? Then remaining means from P-6, 7, P-8 and up to again P-1 from that side, back side. So this is the curve on the back of the cylinder. This is decreasing type of curve. Now draw the baseline. This outline shows the development of cut cylinder. In this way we have completed the solution of the given problem. Thank you.